let's take this first question, which is like, what is the importance of Python for future times? So to answer this question, I have this beautiful piece from Stack Overflow. So Stack Overflow is for those who are coding might be aware that it's a go-to platform if you are stuck with any coding problem, and you will see the solution to most of the problems which you are facing. So in this, there's a very detailed article. You can read this. But as you can currently see here, the Python language is this red one. It's actually growing quite exponentially. The growth of this Python language is measured in terms of percentage of overall question views each month. So almost 10% of the questions which are there on Stack Overflow, the people are looking at Python, and this has grown dramatically in last 10 years. This data is only till 2018. It's not updated post that, but even we can see that there is a huge dramatic, huge rise in the usage of Python. And even if you look at the forecast, which is made by them, they expect that the share of Python will almost go up to 15%. And there's a lot of reasons behind why Python usage is rising. One of them is, as you would have noticed, that Python is used in schools and colleges. Like this has become a preferred language compared to C++, and Java, which was there while I was studying in my college. There was more focus on Java and C++, but now it has changed. If I talk to the graduates, undergrads, they are learning Python. So that's the reason which is driving this growth. And second is because there are so many people who are interested in this, and it's so much well used. There is a lot of packages or a lot of libraries which gets created. For example, to do create a machine learning algorithm in Python is just a cake of is just a piece of work. It's very easy. You just have to import a package, let's say regression, and just pass the required parameters. The regression will automatically be done, and you can straight away see the output. It's not only true for a simple algorithms like regression, even for difficult things like neural networks, LSTM, reinforcement learning. There are so many packages and so many utilities which are available, which will allow you to focus more on the business part and less on the coding part of how to achieve a reinforcement learning will be of less of interest, but how you can use that in your trading setup will be much more of an interest when you use Python.